So I just pulled the bus inside. I'm about to kick off this project. Basically, I'm gonna do the Safari window. All right, so step one is to get this windshield out. Is I'm gonna cut all along here. So the next step is I have to take these out, the wipers. All right, so I was expecting a whole lot worse. The worst thing is right here. Right here. I expected this to be worse, so it's not as bad. Unfortunately, I cannot buy this metal now. So for now, I'm gonna fix it with fiberglass. All right, so I'm putting some masking tape here so I can put a piece of plastic to protect the interior. All right, so this is where we're at right now. Neutralize all the rust. So we're getting all the goop off still. Luckily, I have some help today. It's my first time really messing with fiberglass. So, did the first go round. All right, so the fiberglass is dry now, so let's go ahead and hit it. I'm probably gonna start with like a 80 grit to knock it down some. All right, so I've gone ahead and sanded it smooth. And where you see the darker orange is just the areas where I had to hit it one more time. So it's far from perfect, but they get the job done. All right, so just threw down the first coat. Can we check the recording video to make sure you can see us?
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. We have to make sure that the gapping is right on both sides. All right, so now what we're doing here is that you have to mark it on both sides. All right, so after you mark the 4 holes, now we gotta tap the first screw. I'm just gonna do the first one. Put your hands, go high. So now the next thing is the wing nut here. So step 2 of the process, the clamp is in. Those are on, so the actual frame is done. Although this is our project, she's been saying mine a little too much. It's making me feel a little uncomfortable. You know, you remember what we started with. It's night and day difference. Right there and right there. All right, let's get that. Screw it in. You have to push the tab back. Sure. So first you unscrew. Unscrew. Push it. Then you lock one. That is the view you get. You cannot beat that. She don't know how to drive yet, but look at her playing it off. Second gear. That's not second. And there you have it, man. I'm really happy. We're really pleased. Can't beat that. So, on to the next project.